Welcome back to physics session. Today we are going to discuss a new lesson, new topic, nuclear physics. In this topic, first we are going to discuss first topic composition and structure of nucleus. So what is the structure we are going to discuss? In 1911, Rutherford alpha scattering experiment was performed discovery of nucleons. Discovery of nucleons. Here the so in 1911. Rutherford 1911 Rutherford alpha scattering experiment alpha scattering experiment alpha scattering experiment was performed a discovery of nucleus discovery of nucleus. So later on in 1932 there was several experiments which were performed by John Chadwick. Neutrons were discovered. It was discovered that neutral particle exists inside a nuclear which are called neutron. So this was the discovery of neutrons. So in nucleus, so that approximate structure of nucleus approximate structure of nucleus was assumed that inside this combination of the protons and neutrons. So this proton we called positive charged particle. So positive charge. Here neutron nothing but electrically neutral. So electrically neutral nothing but here there is no charge. In a nucleus total number of proton were given specific name. In a nucleus total number of protons were given a specific name. A specific name in terminology name which is called atomic number. Specific name here the terminology. So atomic number of electrons. Sorry, element. Atomic number of element denoted by letter Z. So here total nucleons proton plus neutron. This one we called mass number of element. This one we called here mass number of element. This one denoted by letter A. So here the notation used for an element notation used for an element X. Element X was XZA or XZA. So here the A is called here mass number, where A is called mass number and Z is called here the charge number. That is called charge number. Here the charges, very important one. Here the charges proton. This one is a charge. Here the denoted by letter P. Here the charge 1 and atomic number also 1 and charge also 1. Here neutron. Here there is no charge, so but mass number 1. And electron, here the denoted by letter E. Here there is no, here the mass number and so here the charge negative. This is the notation of the proton and neutron and the electron. Another very important topic, nuclear groups. Here the based on similarity in nuclear structure, so different elements are divided. Different elements are divided. So here in some groups are called divided. Some groups are called nuclear groups. Nuclear group. Very first one, isotopes. Very first one, isotopes. These are elements which have same Z value but different B value, different A value. So Z nothing but here the charge and A nothing but mass, different mass. This type of elements we called here isotopes. Now second one, so here the isobars. So isobars, these are elements with the same mass number. These are elements with the same mass number but different charge Z value, but different Z. This type of group, this type of element group we called here isobars. So next third one, isotones. The isotones nothing but there are elements which have same mass number and neutron, and they same mass, same number of neutrons. Sorry, same number of neutrons. These are these are these are elements which have elements which have same number of neutrons, same number of neutrons, same number of neutrons. So same number of neutrons nothing but A minus Z. This is the same number of neutrons. This type of elements we called isotones. Now fourth one. These elements are which have same different in. Next one is isodiapers. Isodiapers. These are elements which have same different in neutrons, same difference in neutrons and protons, same difference in neutrons and protons, this number will be here the A minus 2Z should be is equal to constant. This type of elements we called isodiapers. These four groups very, very important. Another important topic, size of nucleus. So based on and several experiments, it was found that all nuclei are made up of a highly dense material called nuclear matter. Here the based on several experimentals based on several, it was found that all nuclei are made up of a highly dense material, called nuclei or nuclear group, nuclear matter. So the density of interior of every nucleus is almost constant, so volume of almost constant, so volume is directly proportional to number of nucleons directly proportional to number of nucleons in it. So volume of nuclei, volume of a nucleon is directly proportional to A. A is nothing but mass. A is nothing but mass number of element. So here the volume constant. This volume is nothing but if that radius is r, here the value nothing but 4 by 3 pi r cube. Pi r cube is directly proportional to A. Here the nuclear radius is r is directly proportional to A upon A power 1 by 3. It means cube of A. So here the proportionality constant is equal to r naught into A power 1 by 3. R naught into A power 1 by 3. Here the here this expression of Fermi radius, this one we called here expression of Fermi radius. Expression of Fermi radius. This R naught value approximately, where R naught is a constant, proportionality constant, or Fermi constant. That value should be equal 1.2 into 10 to the power minus 15 meter. 15 meter, that nearly equals to 10 to the power minus 15 Fermi, or 1.2 Fermi. So here this one we called here Fermi constant or proportionality constant.